How to remove clock from lock screen on Samsung. It's a very quick and easy process, so let's get right into it. So first, you have to open your phone settings. From here, you can scroll down to go to your wallpaper and style, and here you will see the lock screen. So just tap on it. From here, you can customize your lock screen, change its wallpaper and everything. So for you to remove your clock, just tap on the widget, the clock icon right here. And here you can see all of these options that you can choose from and all of these colors that you can apply to. So currently I am using this one. So to remove it, you just choose this option that is no clock change. You can only have these widgets, so there will be no clock. So if you want to change it, you can do it from these options as well. But to remove it, just choose this option and your clock will be removed from your lock screen. I hope this video was helpful and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.